Welcome to the guide where you'll learn the 3 steps you'll need to start operating with Ihaveabot. Firstly, you'll need to install the NinjaTrader platform. Our installation guide will be in the video description. Secondly, you'll need to choose and acquire a subscription from Ihaveabot. Thirdly, you'll need an account to operate the market. There are 3 types of accounts. Simulated account. This type of account is used to practice or to test systems, since the data is real, but the funds are simulated. There is no money at risk, they are free and easily accessible. You can use our guide to easily create and configure a simulated account in NinjaTrader in 10 minutes. You'll find the link in the video description. Useful to start operating quickly while you are creating your real account. Brokerage account. You use your own money. We recommend Ninja Brokerage. This account requires a simple opening process where you'll need to fill a form and follow the instructions from Ninja Brokerage. There will be a link in the video description where you'll be able to open this account and contact the broker. Funded account. These types of accounts required you to go through an evaluation period. Once you pass the evaluation, you'll obtain the funds to operate. These types of accounts come with a free license key to NinjaTrader. You'll find more information and our recommendation on funding companies on our website.